Yo, what is up, guys? It's me back with another video. And I know I always mess this up. I said I was going to make more content about the lightsaber, which I had never even posted that video, which that was in summer. And now I said I was going to post more footage about my studio. That never happened, so now I'm just going to post a video of me getting a good old winter ride in, because Halloween was yesterday, and apparently Missouri, I live in Missouri, apparently Missouri doesn't want to give us fall, so we're getting early December. It's real cold, rainy, snowy, you know, it's practically snowing here, but let's get right to it. Alright, so basically, as you can see, I got the studio behind me. I'm basically just going to have the phone set up right here, and then you might be able to see me somewhere back there when I'm riding, but it's just going to be the angle you see. I'll pause like every lap, and then stop and talk. And it'll just be like a quick video. It's not going to be that long because I just want to post about the video. So let's go. Start everything off. Alright. I don't know if you guys can see me, but I basically just went around, and depending on how much time is left, I don't know if y'all can hear me because it's really windy and it's starting to rain a lot. I'll do like 4 more laps and stop and talk. Never mind, it's getting really rainy. Gotta stop the video.